troop, Blake. Knock the troop. Make sure you're not laying in the prone as the vehicle's coming up to the LOA. We're coming. That's what's down there. 45.
We leave at 45. Oh, there we go. You don't load it all, that's fine. The dock has it. Alright, let's go. Come on. One of those missions is like 6 casualties. Half the
Hey, push all the way down.
Disregard 1-6.
Go. Still in it.
Friendly's coming out! Friendly's coming out!
Our brigade specifically is waiting for cars to pop.
The significance of this exercise is that it's demonstrating United States resolve to NATO and the future of NATO force posture in Europe. So about a year ago, last summer in Madrid, NATO leaders got together and they decided that we were going to expand the NATO battle groups. At the time there there were 4 and there were 4 more standing up, they decided they were going to expand those battle groups to brigade-sized elements from battalions. This is part of an effort to demonstrate proof of concept for how we can do that. Initial proof of concept is going to be to do that on a rotational or temporary basis, and then eventually they want to expand them to brigade size permanently.
So we are currently now in the Małopolski, Poland, and we are exercising the Griffin Shock exercise, where the U.S. Secondary Cavalry is attached under the HQMND Northeast, the headquarters multinational division Northeast. You know, we are first time we are interacting with the U.S. brigade size unit. So this is the first one. Another significant thing is that we have embedded US personnel into our HQ, where they are coaching, mentoring, and teaching us how to provide the divisional deep fire. And this is a really unique and for the first time it happens in our HQ history, in fact. Because our neighborhood is not as safe due to the obvious reasons and due to those unpredicted neighbors. So that's why the expansion of the EFP battle groups and this such similar kind of exercise shows our willingness to the society, or not even the willingness, our commitment to the society, because the society is investing into us as a military to stand in case of aggression by the close neighbors.